Like, I already struggle to make connections with people. And then we're gonna throw some awkward situation like that in. Hey, Dad, you have a 40-year-old son. Oh, did you say that you made a new family? Sorry, we're just gonna uproot that one. Completely have that effed up situation. I understand that argument, Dannon. I can buy into part of it. But that comes at a huge, like, emotional cost. You know, not just for me, but also that stranger. I don't know. I like the family that I've made. Not just like my immediate family, but their extended family, my friends over the years. That support system has always been far better than blood relatives for me. Not running away, just returning for lurk. That is a plug for the DNA test, not reconnecting. You can turn off find a family. Oh, are you suggesting that I do one of those like 23andMe things? And is that what we're talking about? Like that, I guess I have no issues with doing that, right? If that's just like, we're gonna take a look at your blood and understand, you know, your historical lineage. Like, fine. Invite is a big one without family stuff. Let me write that down. Because again, I have no problems doing that. Like, that seems responsible and logical. Let's see. ENA background. I'll take a look at that.